Hello everyone, I hope you all have clarity about instruction architecture and started learning about pipelining. This lab will be based on pipelining. We are going to use an app called Ripes. This app works on all kinds of OS like Windows, Linux and Mac. Now I am going to show how to install this app on Linux. It's fairly straightforward. Open the GitHub repo of the app. Link for this GitHub repo can be found below. Now go down to downloading and installation. Go to the releases page. Go to the latest release. So this app image I need to download for Linux. Similarly for Mac and Windows you can download the respective zip files. Now that my app is installed, I need to go to downloads and open a terminal. Now simply run this app. If you get a permission denied error, change the permissions using change mod 777 and name of the app image. Now rerun it. So this is the app we are going to use for our next assignment. This is the editor where we are going to add our code, and this is the processor where we are going to infer our observations. Let's discuss about this more in detail later. Thank you guys. See you later.